Math Gad.
Oh my god, guys, welcome to today's video in which we're going to be learning about the parabola. In this case, we're going to be learning how to write the equation given the focus and the directrix. So in this video, guys, we're going to be tackling the following problem. We're being asked to write the equation of the parabola given the focus and the directrix. Now, the focus that we're given is 5, 1, and the directrix is y equals to minus 5. Now, in order to do this problem, we need to take a look at the following. So whenever we have the formula of the parabola, we're going to see that it is actually x minus h squared equals to 4b multiplied by y minus k. Now, that means that we have to find our vertex, which, as you can see on the graph, is always going to have coordinates h, comma, k, right? Then apart from that, we have to find if our p is going to be higher than 0 or if it's going to be lower than 0. And the way in which we can do that is actually taking a look at the directrix and the focus. If the focus is above the directrix, then p is going to be positive, and we're going to be using these formulas. But if the directrix is above the focus, then the parabola is going to open downwards, and we're going to be using these formulas on the right. Okay, so now as we can see, we're going to be taking a look at this. Okay, so we're going to do a small draft so that you guys can visualize it. So the directrix is going to be on y equals to minus 5. So minus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that is going to be our directrix, right? We've already seen that. Now, the value of our focus is going to be on 5, 1. So it's going to be on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1. So it's going to be here. Now that we see that our focus is actually above our directrix, we're going to be taking a look at the image on the left. Now, we know that our focus and our directrix, which is going to be here, minus 5, and our focus is going to be on 5, 1. In order to find where our vertex is going to be, we have to know that our vertex is going to be on an equal distance from the focus and the directrix, right? So because this one is on 1 and this one is on minus 5, the center is going to be 1 minus 5 divided by 2. So when we do that, that is going to be minus 4 divided by 2. So that means that our value of the vertex is going to be actually on minus 2. Okay? So it's going to be on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and minus 1, minus 2. So that means that our vertex is actually going to be here. Right? So our vertex is going to be on 5, minus 2. Now that we know 5, minus 2, we actually know the value of h, and we also know our value of k. Now, in order to find the value of p, we have to remember that p is going to be the distance from the vertex to the directrix, and the distance from our focus to our vertex is going to be the same distance. So from our focus to our vertex, we're going to have from 1 to minus 2. So we're going to go minus 2 to minus 1, minus 1 to 0, and 0 to plus 1. So it's going to be a distance of 3. And we can verify that from minus 2 to minus 5, we have minus 2 to minus 3 to minus 4, and then to minus 5. We're going to have a distance of 3, which means that our value of p is going to be 3. Now, guys, we have our value of p, our value of h, and our value of k, right? So again, our value of h is going to be the value of x in the vertex, our value of k is going to be our value of y in the vertex, and now we know that the distance between the vertex and the focus, or the vertex and the directrix, is p, which is 3. So now we're going to write it down. So x minus an h is 5 to the power of 2 is equal to 4 times p, so 4 times 3, which is going to be 12 times y minus k. So y, in this case, is going to be y, because we have to leave it expressed. And then our value of k is minus 2, so positive 2. And there you have it, guys. That is going to be the formula of the parabola. So the first thing we did is that we did a small draft to see where our directrix is, where our focus is, in order to see where our vertex is, find our value of p, so the distance, and basically just substitute in our formula. So that's pretty much it for today, guys, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.
Check out these other videos to improve your math skills, and make sure you click that subscribe button to make the community grow. Follow ohmathgad in its social media accounts, drop a like, a comment below, and see you on the next one. Bye!